What's up, my country people, my brother, my sister? How na dey now? My brother, my sister, no be small thing. The Kogi Central residents dismiss court injunction, insist on Natasha recall. My brother, my sister, no be small thing. Everybody they are fighting for Natasha recall. My brother, my sister. This is great thing that people are really fighting and standing with her. If today is your first time tuning to my channel, you're welcome. Please always do well to like, share, comment, and also subscribe so that whenever I upload any video, you get notification from my old-time subscriber. I see and every one of you from my return subscriber. I pray may God bless you all. You guys are so wonderful. You guys are so amazing. My brother, my sister, no be smart, no be smart. Residents of Kogi Central direct have rejected that court injunction secured by the Senator Natasha, viewing it as a last-minute attempt to the ongoing recall process. The senator recalled obtaining a legal order preventing the Independent National Electoral, which is Commission, which is INEC, from receiving or proceeding the recall petition against her. Reacting to the development from the five local government area gather that the move her reconciliation of the Federal High Court. My brother, my sister, no be small thing o. And they also state that when the leader action lack transparency, condition become invisible. In statement released on Friday, the Kogi Central Resident Assembly questioned the senator decision to seek illegal investigation while dismissing the recall process as a fortune. It is inconsistent for someone who claims the recall process is invalid to then ask the court to prevent the INEC from verifying it. If the signature were truly false, I want INEC to investigate will have exposed the truth and the group. My brother, my sister, this thing that's happening right now is, I don't even know what to say. Even the Kogi Central resident dismissed the court injection instead on they insist on Natasha recall. This is very it's not something that should have happened now. But who are we to question? Who are we? Who are we? My brother, my sister, no be small thing. I'm telling you. I'm telling you. So the statement signed by you know by the security further explanation that the leadership cannot be forced upon an unwilling electoral, insists that the recall will be processed as planned. This is desperate move to avoid you know but the people of Kogi Central remain you know resolute to recall. It is not just about one person, it is about restoring the dignity of our district. And the statement read, the group also verified their commitment to see the recall process through, standing that the people uphold dignity and will not support what they describe as leadership that lack you know that lack discipline. My brother, my sister, no be small thing. The Federal High Court on Friday issued an intimate injunction preventing INEC from accepting or proceeding the recall position of Senator Natasha. from suppose continue. My brother, my sister, no be small thing o, no be small thing, because in the other hand, some people, you know, dismiss the court. Kogi Central resident, they dismiss court order, court injunction, insist on they insist that Natasha must be recalled back to her position. They don't want to hear anything that the court are saying right now. All they want is that they must recall Senator Natasha back to the Senate and let her resume her position and her office so that she will start working immediately, because this is what people are fighting for. This is what people, trying to do to make sure that the Senator Natasha has been, recalled. Nobody want to hear anything like, they will postpone it or they will process it. They want it to be recall immediate effect, to make sure that she's restored back to her position and she will resume her office immediately, because giving her the suspension for 6 months, and the most funny part of it, her allowance was her own allowance was cut off, her security was cut off, everything was cut off, and they don't allow her to come to the premises of the Senate, assembly, which is so wrong, so wrong. If many people may ask, if I may ask, what kind of crime did she even commit that make the Senate to give her the 6 month suspension? Nothing, because she's voicing out, she's telling people, she's coming outside to let people know that this is what she has been going through. The Senate president has been harassing her, sexually, and she said that justice must be done, because there is no woman on this right now, on this head, that will be molested or sexually molest or rape and will go scot-free. And he must, no matter who the person is, whether he's a president, whether he's a governor, he must face justice. Your money cannot save you, except, this our system, this our country is full of corruption, it's full of, so many things, you know well, that is what has been going on in this country, you know because someone can bring like two Ghana must go back with money and give you, say that this case, I want this case to be terminated, and it is, before you know, the case will be terminated and there's nothing you do about it. That is Nigeria system for you. That is the reason why she's fighting, and she want the Senate to step down. The Senate president should step down or resign. That is what she's fighting for. That's what she's fighting for her people. Because before she come outside and tell people about this, maybe this thing has been going on for a very long time, and she don't know how to come outside and say it, and something give her that boldness to come outside and say it. All of a sudden, they give her 6 months suspension. Why are you people giving her 6 months suspension for? And you cut off her allowance, her salary, even the security, guard was cut off, everything was cut off. She don't have access to all those things again. I don't know, the way this country is ruling, the way this country, going, I don't think things will ever be the same again, because this is not what we are expecting from this our country. Seriously, my brother, my sister, I'm telling you, I'm telling you. That's why all the Kogi residents, central residents, they are insisting that, you know, they must recall Senator Natasha back to her position, and she must resume her office by all means. My brother, my sister, this is so great. If this how people can come all out and support their own follow, because they know that she's a good woman. She's not the kind of woman that collects bribery or do you know she's straightforward, and people love her for that. I'm so happy.